Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters. Welcome back. I hope you're having a bossing day. And today, as the title says, the sub £1,000 7 has broken. We had to show what's really up with it. All we noticed went to have a speed bump last night. Well, yeah, last night. It made a bang. And now when you get around corners, it just makes a grinding sound. When I got back, I did test the suspension. It seemed alright. But when I took it around again, it didn't do it until we just got back and it went boom again. So I don't know what's up. We won't know until we get the trolley jack out and go and do it and see what's going on. We're going to do it now so we can order the part in. Comment down below at this point what you think's broke. I'm hoping it's nothing too severe because I want to keep the ownership of a car under £1,000, and really it's cost us nothing up to yet on maintenance really. So let's see what's happening. If you want to know about this one, our Twinny, our second E38, leave a comment down below and I'll do a walk around, show you inside, show you all the good stuff, all the features and stuff. But if you don't want to, then don't leave a comment. You've probably seen that about on our Facebook page as well. I haven't really done much with it, don't know what I'm going to do with it. Got him MOT and he's going to be saved. That's really what matters. We like to keep it true. As you can see, oh, that's gone pretty much, so that's why it's making a flipping funny noise. We've just been under a car, like you said, we've just seen it, used it when I was in it, and it's the spring seat that's gone. Like I said, it's annoying because it happened moment over a speed bump and I will go in fast over a speed bump, I'll go right down, I'll make a point of slowing right down to go over a speed bump. Because at the end of the day, that's my car, these are my cars, for more springs, more suspension. So I'll make sure I go over as slow as possible, make sure there's no excess wear on anything. But this does highlight a point. Crappy speed bump. Like I said, all they do is really affect the genuine motorists, because if you don't care, you don't care. If you're up to no good, it's going to be a stolen car, it's going to be a throwaway car, they don't care. When us, the people, genuine motorists using these and going over them every day to work and all that, it's taking life out of our suspension. That's why I do like, for enforcement, if people want to enforce stuff, speed cameras, because it don't affect the genuine law-abiding motorist, does it? You just drive under if it flashes him over. If you don't flash him, all good. If you undo it, well flash. If there's no damage to your car. So yeah, I'm annoyed. A bit of a wrap there. Now it looks like we're going to need new shocks at the back. When you start then, you got to think, oh, the front's going to be out. So yeah, looks like we're going to have to break over the £1,000 barrier. It's slightly annoying. But things come to try us. And it'll be a tutorial for you to see. So I'm going to lower the car down. And have a cup of tea. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.